In a world where every local service business is vying for attention, digital marketing emerges as the game changer. But how do you harness its power to target the right customers and maximize local impact? It starts with a funnel strategy, a blend of search engine optimization, Google Ads, and Google My Business. This isn't just about being visible, it's about being found by the right people at the right time. Local digital marketing isn't a shot in the dark. It's a laser-focused approach to connect with your community. Imagine your business popping up the moment someone searches for local services. That's the magic of local SEO. It's about crafting content that resonates with your audience, content that speaks to the heart of your community and turns local events into opportunities for connection. And let's talk about Google My Business. This isn't just a listing, it's your digital storefront. Keep it fresh with the latest info and photos. Encourage reviews. Show your customers that you're not just a service, but a local staple. But the real secret? Data. It's about reading the numbers, understanding trends, and creating new opportunities. It's about knowing your customers better than they know themselves and tailoring your approach to meet their needs. So if you're ready to embrace digital marketing for your service business, focus on your funnel. Use SEO, Google Ads, and Google My Business to reach your local customers. Dive into the data and keep creating those opportunities. That's how you maximize your local impact. That's how you make your mark. If you need help with digital marketing for your local business, Adexpert has over 10 years of experience in competitive niches across the United States. We can assist you in creating the perfect website and structuring your online marketing strategy. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions. We are always here to help. Thank you for watching.